Good afternoon, my dears, my sweet little children. How are you? I hope you are fine at your home and doing well. So, my dear student, before starting our class, you know what we do? We do prayer. What we do? We do prayer. So, all of you join your hands. Stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Let's start the prayer. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Again, we shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Open your eyes, put your hands down. So, my dear kid, I am your teacher, Jyoti Pahajre, and I am here to teach you English subject. This subject, English subject. Now, my dear, before starting our class, let's have some warm up, right? Let's have some warm up. So, all of you dear kids, stand up, all of you. Yes. Now, run, all of you. Run, run, run. Yes, run fast. Run fast. Very good. Stop. Now, put your hands up, down, up, down. Very good. Now, put your hands up. Make flowers, all of you. Make flowers. Make flowers. Yes, put your hands down. And now, all of you sit down. So, my dear, we have learned lowercase letter. Okay, before starting our class, tell me how was the PT2 exam? Good, you have done well. Very good. So, you have to do well only, right? So, today we are going to start new letters, right? So, till now, which letter we have learned? Till now, we have learned letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Till here we have learned to write small letter. Till then we have learned to write small letter, right? After L, which letter will come? After L, which letter will come? M. After L, which letter will come? M. So today we are going to write letter M. Small letter M. And after M, N. Right? So M for, do you know the things will start from letter M? M for Monday. M for Monday. M for mango. M for mango. Then M for man. Right? M for man. M for, tell me, M for monkey. M for, tell me, M for, anything which you didn't know? M for, yes, M for mall. M for, tell me the things which start from letter M. Do you remember the words which start from letter M? Yes, M for man, M for mango, M for money, M for, tell me, yes, tell me, M for Monday, then M for, who will tell me, mountain, right? So these things start from letter M. So today we are going to write letter M. So all of you, my lovely kid, take out your English notebook. Take out your English notebook and take a fresh page. Right? Take out your English notebook, all of you. A fresh page, English notebook and fresh page. Take out fast. Take out fast English notebook, fresh page, sharp your pencil, take eraser, sharp your pencil, take eraser. Done? Done? Okay. Let us start writing letter M. In capital letter, how we write letter M? This is capital letter M, right? And how we write small letter? Small letter we write like this, letter M. So we will write lowercase letter in 2 lines only, right? In 2 lines. So how you will write? Standing line, then curve down, then again curve down, like this. You have to write letter M in your notebook. So write, all of you, write. Start writing with me properly and neatly in your notebook. Properly and neatly in your notebook. Right? Yes. Mama will draw the lines and you have to start writing. Letter M in your notebook. See and write letter M. Which letter is this? M. Which letter is this? M. So we have to write only in 2 lines. Letter M we will write in 2 lines. Look here. First standing line, then make curve down. Again up, curve and down. Like this we have to write letter M. Like this we have to write letter M. So write neatly in your book, properly. Don't write out of the line. Don't write out of the line. Right? Again. Ready? You have to write 1 full page. You have to write 1 full page in your notebook. Again, in the next line, standing line, then curve down and again up and then down. M. Lowercase letter M. M for mango, M for money, M for mall, M for monkey. Again, we will write here standing line, then curve, then up and then down. Right? Like this you have to write letter M in your notebook. Again, standing line, curve down, up, then down, like this. Write letter M in your notebook. Neatly, you have to write neatly. Don't write out of the line. Done? Completed? Okay. Now, in the next line, you will write again letter M. How you will write? First, standing line, then curve, down, then up, curve and down. Like this letter M. Like this letter M. Again, standing line, curve, down, up, curve, down. Like this we have to write letter M. Again we will write standing line, curve, down, up, curve, down. Letter M. Which letter is this? Letter M. Say and write, all of you. You have to say and write. So we have to complete till the end of the page. 1 full page you have to write letter M. Then go, then down, like this. So start writing with me. Write with me. Standing line, curve, down, up, curve, down. Start writing. Again. Standing line, curve, down, up, curve, down. Write neatly in your book. Write neatly in your book. Yes. You have to write one full page. Like this letter M. Which letter is this? Letter M. Again, standing line, curve down, up, curve down. Again, standing line, curve down, up, curve down. Like this. You have to write in your book. Right? So, I am giving you 2 to 3 minutes to complete it till the end of the page. Completed. Completed. Now take a new page. Take a new page. Take a new page after N. Which letter will come? N. After N, which letter will come? N. So this is capital N, right? Uppercase N. Now this is lowercase n. This is lowercase n. N for nose, N for nails, N for neck, N for nest. Right? Very good. N for nail cutter. So this thing starts from letter N. So ready to write? Completed letter M in your notebook. Completed letter M in your notebook. Now we are going to write letter N. So write it next page. Take out a fresh page. Yes, take out a fresh page in your book. Take out your fresh page in your book. Now start writing. Standing line, then up, then curve and down. Like this, you have to write letter N. Start writing and also in two line. And also in two line. Right? So write properly. Again, standing line, up, curve and down. N. Which letter is this? N. You have to say N. Right. Which letter is this? N. Lowercase letter N. And for nose, and for nails, this is your nails, yes. And for neck, and for nest, and for nail cutter. So write it properly. You have to say it right. Again, how we will write? Standing line. First you have to write standing line, then curve and down. Which letter is this? N. Which letter is N? It is like M or it is letter N is like M only, but it is a half part of M. Right? So write neatly. Don't write out of the line. If you are writing out of the line, please erase it. Please erase it and write properly. Right, my dear? Okay. Again, we will start writing in next line. Yes, I am giving you time to write. You have to take out a fresh page. Don't write in the same page. You have to write M in one page and N in another page. Right? Yes, write neatly. Completed. Completed. Say loudly. Yes, ma'am. Completed. Say loudly. Yes, ma'am. Completed. Now, next line. We will write in next line. So, start writing with me. Start writing with me. How you will write? Standing line like this. Then curve down. Then curve and then standing down. So, which letter is this? Letter N. Which letter is this? Letter N. Again, standing line. Then curve and down. Which letter is this? N. Which letter is this? N. Write neatly. Write neatly in your book. And we have to complete one full page. what we have to do? Complete one full page. Now again we will write here steady line, then curve and down. Which letter is this? L. Which letter is this? L. Which letter is this? L. Write neatly and properly. Don't write out of the line. Don't write out of the line. Right? Yes. Completed? Yeah, I am giving you time to complete it. So complete it fast and neatly in your English notebook. You have to say and write. What you have to do? You have to say and write. N. Which letter is this? Lowercase letter N. Now we are going to write it next line. Next line, right? So how we will write? Steady line, then curve and down. Letter N. Which letter is this? Letter N. Again, steady line, then curve and down. Letter N. Which letter is this? Letter N. Again, steady line, curve and down. Which letter is this? Letter N. Which letter is this? Letter N. Again, look here, steady line, then up, curve and down. Which letter is this? Letter N. Which letter is this? Letter N. So write neatly. Write neatly. Write neatly. Yes. Don't erase with your hand. You take a eraser and erase it if you have written the wrong letter. Completed? Completed? Now we are going to write it next line. Now we are going to write it next line. So look here, steady line, then curve and down. Which letter is this? N. Which letter is this? N. Again, steady line, curve and down. Right? Complete it neatly and properly in 2 lines. Neatly and properly in 2 lines. Completed? Completed? Now, next. Steady line, then upward, curve and down. N. Which letter is this? N. Which letter is this? N. You have to say and write. Again, steady line, curve and down. Which letter is this? Lowercase letter N. Lowercase. This is uppercase and this is lowercase. Right? So once again, steady line, curve and down. So letter N is completed. You have to do practice, right? You have to do practice for writing. So N for nose, neck, name, nest, heel cutter, and M for mango, men, then money, mall, mountains. So now I am giving you time to complete it fast. Complete it fast till the end of the page. Till the end of the page. Completed? Yes, very good. Completed? Okay. Good, very good. So, my dear student, you have to do practice. Every day you have to do practice of writing also and reading also. Right? Are you able to understanding? Every day you have to do practice for writing the letters and their sounds also. And reading also, reading the sight words. Right? So, my dear, my kids, lovely kids, now I am winding up my class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Love you all and miss you all. Bye.